Okay, number 56. Wrote down the quadratic equation. There's the actual example. As in the previous cases, we got to get all the terms on the same side of the equation. So I need to write this as 3 squared plus 3x. Bring the negative 4 over as a positive. And then once I do that, I realize that my A is 3, my B is also 3, and my C is equal to a positive 4. My C is equal to a positive 4. So putting the values into the quadratic formula, x is equal to the opposite sign of b. b is 3, so the opposite of that is negative 3, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Let's see. So that's going to be 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is also equal to 3, minus 4 times 3, and then your c value here is 4. All right, a lot of 3's, a whole bunch of 3's. All divided by twice a, so if a is 3, twice a is going to be 6. So this becomes x equal to a minus 3 plus or minus the square root. Let's see, this would be 3 squared 9 minus 4 times 3 times 4 is going to be a 48. And it's 48. This is all divided by 6. This becomes negative 3 plus or minus the square root of a, let's see, negative 39. All divided by 6. I realize this is imaginary. I can rewrite this as minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 39 times the square root of a negative 1, all divided by 6. So this now is negative 3 plus or minus. I realize that this is I, square of negative 1, so this is I times the square root of 39, all divided by 6. So that looks pretty good. Another way you could conceivably see this written is a negative 3 over 6 plus or minus the square root of 39 over 6i, and then obviously here we could reduce this down to lowest terms, so 1/2 plus or minus the square root of 39 over 6 times I. Alright, so that one there, I think I've given you 4 examples of every little thing that you can conceivably would face. You got ones where you had to reduce, and you got a couple with that were imaginary. You had to express the values as the letter I.